Ouch! You fell down and scraped your knee. It's bleeding, but don't worry. Your blood is already starting a secret mission to fix it.
Your body has its own team of doctors and a built-in factory for making bandages. The second you get a cut, tiny cells called platelets rush in. The tiny workers stick together to plug the hole and stop the leaking. They release a special glue called fibrin. Fibrin acts like a net, catching more blood cells to create a blood clot. This is your body's way of shutting the door on germs. As the clot dries out on the outside, it turns into a hard, crusty shield called a scab.
While the scab protects you from dirt, new skin cells are growing and multiplying to fill the gap. Important rule: never pick a scab. It's like kicking a construction worker off the job before they finish the floor. Sometimes, if a cut is deep, your body uses extra strong collagen. This extra strong skin is what we call a scar. It might look a little different, but it's like a badge of honor that says, "My body fixed itself." To help your blood make great bandages, keep your cuts clean and eat foods with vitamin C like oranges and vitamin K like broccoli. Subscribe to see how your amazing body stays in tip-top shape. Now, did you know